So I'm not going into some long CAD process with this first of all, but I am going to show the basic design concept and point out the first 2 points is the hexagon and the circle or semicircles fit round the vise, and it's all segmented, so wherever I've got the vise on the bed it will all fit nicely. Now, I originally designed it with screw-on keyways, that's these, and I made it wider as well, that it will cover the scales for the DRO just to help protect them. So I've got one of the bed covers here, well I've got several here that have been printed off, so they're nothing special, quite thin really. Could have done this with a bit of wood but I didn't want to, and it should be going on about there like that, and with the keyway slider, so I've just got to screw them together. I've got some very small screws here, and we'll screw them together. I think I've probably put too many holes in here actually, I think, but I'll put use 3 to start with and see what it's like. Yeah, 3's good, don't need the other 2. So that's 1. Here's a smaller one. Now I could have printed them because they look far better in the glass bed side, but problem is that when you print them, if you wanted this side up, you've got to put the taper for the screw on here, which it's not going to like doing. So, but it's only a bed protector, so it really doesn't matter. Have we got spacing on this? I don't think we have. And if we have, we shouldn't have, but we have. So that's the way it goes. Right, that one goes that way, and zoom me up a little bit. So that one goes this side of the vise on the left hand side, this one will go on the right, and these ones are for there. And that's the first time I've offered it up actually, and that ain't bad at all actually, since I only done that off measurements. Good enough. So this one, so yeah, when the vise is screwed directly to the mill bed without the swivel base, that's when these ones will be used. So these will probably be on here most of the time, to be fair, because it's not that often I have the swivel base on. And I've got another couple I'll show you in a second, and therefore the swivel base, which you've probably seen because this is going to be the last part of the video, and I'm sure I would have mentioned it on voiceover, which I haven't done yet. So I will mention it on voiceover. Now, just in case somebody eagle-eyed says, "You're using the wrong screwdriver." Yes, I am, because I've got a Phillips screwdriver bit here, and I've got the posi screwdriver bit here, but the screws are so crap, it fits the Phillips screwdriver better, even though they're posi screws. And there'll be lots of you out there going, "What's a posi screw?" The amount of mechanics I've met who still don't know the bloody difference. Right, so that's that one that goes in there. So let's put them out of the way. Right. I don't know why I didn't just 3D print the whole lot actually. Maybe I was afraid that it wasn't going to work. I bet I'm going to have to get a pair of grips on these. Ain't too sad. Right, let's see if that one fits then, shall we? First time this has been offered up. Yeah, it's alright. It's good enough to stop the swarf and crap getting down in there. Right then. So, 2 more to do. And all that's left is just a little strip. Now I've done them in sections for decaying size, and I'm probably going to mention this twice. So this will probably be the second time I'm going to mention it. In fact, it's actually the first time I'm mentioning it, but I'll probably mention it in CAD design and the voiceover. I've done it in sections just so it doesn't matter where you put the vice, hopefully, within reason, I'll have a section to go in the right place. So, 20, and maybe not that one, maybe that one. And there we go, it doesn't work already, look. Don't know what it's doing in there, that's naughty. There we are. So the other ones can go on the other side. Job done. So there we have it. Now, the reason I did this is because I dropped a drill on it the other day. I had a drill in here in the Morse taper, and when I could bang take the R8 taper loose, the drill fell out of the Morse taper and just went dink, and it's the first time I've marked my bed. I'll zoom you in. Yeah, so you can see that little line there. It's the first time I've marked my bed. I've rubbed it off with a stone, but I wasn't very happy. That's the first mark on my bed, and it's just like, right, I'm not having that again. No more. So there we go. Was it worthwhile? I don't know, but there you are.
you.